The Oppo Pad Air tablet PC is a fascinating new player in India's market for low-cost Android tablet PCs. This new offering from the Chinese smartphone manufacturer stands out from other goods on the market. A division of Oppo has a head start in the market and may have even served as a litmus test the entire time. There is only one gray color option for the Oppo Pad Air. That doesn't stop me from praising the tablet's aesthetic and construction, though. The Oppo Pad Air's metallic frame is already striking, and the texture on the rear of the tablet adds to that impression. The tablet PC has a brilliant 10.36-inch 2K IPS display that works well indoors and outdoors. I have not encountered any causes for the display to let me down while using the Oppo Pad Air. The 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution more than makes up for the lack of HDR capabilities, thanks to the vivid colors. The Oppo Pad Air is a well-packaged entertainment tablet for when you travel, especially with the addition of Dolby Atmos support through the quad speakers. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, 4 GB of RAM, and a choice of 64 or 128 GB of internal storage power. The Oppo Pad Air. A microSD card can be used to increase storage, but only by 512 GB. The tablet PC is capable of performing simple multitasking tasks like online browsing and scrolling through social media. The smooth operation of games like Candy Crush, Subway Surfer, and others with low graphic requirements. However, if you don't enjoy pixelation, you should stay away from action games like Apex Legends Mobile. Although RAM may virtually be increased, doing so requires giving up storage capacity. It is powered by Android 12 and Oppo's ColorOS 12.1. With a 7100 mAh battery, the Oppo Pad Air provides excellent battery life of up to 2 to 3 days. If you do completely deplete the tablet, the 18-watt Super VOOC fast charger will still take some time to recharge it. The Oppo Pad Air is a low-cost tablet computer that is developed for people who just want to use it to browse the web, check their emails, remain connected on social media, and view movies and TV episodes, without paying extra for premium features. The Oppo Pad Air is a superior choice over the Realme Pad, and costs $205 for the base variant. The tablet PC will get you through the week, but is not developed for intense multitasking. If you look closely, you can see that the Oppo Pad Air draws influence from the Realme Pad. However, the 3D Dune texture at the back gives the tablet PC a unique touch that belongs to the firm. The tablet PC has a squared-off metallic casing that makes it simple to grip in the hand. The Oppo Pad Air's power button is situated right above two of the device's 4-speaker grills on the left side, when held in landscape orientation, with the display facing up. The Dolby Atmos logo is also visible close to the speakers. The volume controls, 2 microphones, and the microSD card slot are all located at the top. You'll discover 2 speaker grills and the Type-C port for charging on the right side of the tablet computer. The 5 megapixels front camera for video calls is located directly above the display. Additionally, there are uniform bezels of black surrounding the display. It is not a deal breaker and is an all too familiar appearance. The back of the device houses the main 8 megapixels camera, which is a noticeable camera housing. Although the Oppo Pad Air's general appearance is comparable to that of the company's sub-brand lineup as well, the former is a superior pick in terms of appearance, purely because of the captivating Dune texture. You will be pleased with it because of the excellent build quality. The tablet weighs only 440 grams, making it also lightweight. However, I did wish that the business had utilized a hybrid SIM slot to create an LTE version. Include a plastic case with the product, just like with smartphones. The Oppo Pad Air's 10.36-inch display is a 2K IPS panel with a 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution. For watching films and TV shows, the display is vivid and brilliant. The tablet performs as good as or even better than comparable items at the price it is sold for. The display's color temperature can be adjusted to have warmer or cooler tones. The display does not have any other characteristics besides those mentioned above. High refresh rates and HDR are also lost. Once you've delved deeply into the internet collection of stuff you frequently enjoy, none of that feels like a problem. On Netflix and other OTT services, the majority of movies and television series play flawlessly on full screen. You can continue your binge-watching sessions in ease thanks to the lightweight appearance. When used outside, the display's performance falls short of expectations. You are forced to set the brightness to its maximum because the monitor is reflecting. I even chose a bright theme to increase visibility. I'd also advise carrying a cleaning cloth along with you at all times. There are often many fingerprints and smudges on the display. The user interface on ColorOS is the same as the ones on Oppo's mobile devices. However, there are some cool multitasking options, such as split screen, flexible windows, and dual windows. You may also add apps of your choice to a quick access menu using the sidebar. The Oppo Pad Air can play low graphic games if you do intend to use it for gaming. Larger games will have trouble, and when I played Apex Legends on the lowest settings, I noticed pixelated graphics. The speaker's output is more geared toward highs and mids. The quad speakers provide Dolby Atmos spatial surround, but lack a robust bass. The entertainment experience will be improved by pairing the tablet with a TWS earphone, like the OnePlus Nord Buds, that supports the feature. The Oppo Pad Air's 7100 mAh battery is large enough to last users 2 to 3 days. This is the time when the tablet is utilized for prolonged periods of time while viewing movies, and using useful apps like Gmail or Google Workspace. When the display brightness is turned all the way up, the battery life usually suffers. An 18-watt Super VOOC fast charger is included in the box for charging the Oppo Pad Air. It is preferable to retain the tablet for charging if it is fully empty 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. Although it shares the same performance and battery predictions as the others, this tablet doesn't outperform any of its rivals. One of the rare goods in the nation with a high-end appearance and finish is the Oppo Pad Air. The Dunes pattern on the back complements the tablet's quality metallic chassis and elevates it above the Realme Pad in terms of aesthetics. It will be a treat to watch movies on Netflix, Amazon Prime, or any other OTT service. Dolby Atmos, which is frequently accessible in many shows and movies, is now supported by the quad speakers. For a more engrossing spatial surround sound experience, you may even use a pair of TWS that are Dolby Atmos compliant, such as the OnePlus Nord Buds. Extreme workloads are not a good fit for the tablet PC. The majority of daily tasks, like viewing movies, managing your calendars, sending emails, and keeping up on social media apps, may be handled by it. It would be wiser to search the market for alternative tablets that provide more RAM. The Oppo Pad Air's IPS display may be brilliant and works well inside. However, the display is overly reflective outside, forcing you to turn up the brightness, which reduces battery life. There is no LTE version of the Oppo Pad Air. It has a slot for an expandable microSD card, and solely supports Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this review. Have a nice day and see you soon.